Hey guys, it's your girl Tash. To all my subscribers, big up on yourself. You don't know, up. First of all, I want to say a big thank you to everyone who subscribed, commented, liked, and shared my videos. Thank you all for the positive feedbacks, and please continue to send those positive comments because those comments helps me to push further. So those comments are very important, guys, so please continue doing what you're doing. So this video is actually a remake of a video I made with my neighbor while we were in quarantine, and I wanted to repost the video again with a bit more details as to how I came to achieve this right here. Because the first time I posted the video, I posted it kind of like a joke because we're in quarantine and I couldn't find any braids to match her hair color, and I honestly thought that the black was gonna look completely wrong, but it was the only option at that time. Well, we could have just shaved her hair off, to be honest, because we're in quarantine and everyone was shaving the hair off anyways. And she did want to shave her hair off, but then she changed her mind. So I had these black braids in storage, and I honestly thought it was going to look so horrible in her hair, but I just decided to test it out anyways, and surprisingly it came out really well. Even I was shocked as to how well it came out. My neighbor actually kept these braids in for over a month because she loved it so much, and the compliments she was getting on the road was surprisingly amazing. So I posted this video on YouTube like 2 months ago, and I got some really good feedbacks. So I just wanted to post it again with a bit more details as to how I achieved the hairstyle. So first, I sprayed water on her hair just to tame the hair. And I'm using this method that I often use to make knotless box braids. So I just put the hair through my fingers like this, and usually I would feed more hair in as I go along. But in this case, I am only using one piece of hair because I don't want to use too much of the black braid. I want to use as little as possible so it blends out nicely with her hair color. I also measured out the black braids to be a bit shorter than the length of her natural hair because I don't want the black sticking out on the ends by itself, because I think that would definitely look completely wrong. So anyways, I really like this method because it hides the big knot at the top and you don't have to feed the hair in. You can just use one piece of hair if you're doing like small to medium braids. I think that the more bigger braids would require a feed-in method, but that depends on how thick the client's natural hair is. If the natural hair is thick, you could make them bigger, but if the natural hair is very thin like this, then this method wouldn't work so well with bigger braids. So guys, if you like what you've seen so far, please drop a comment right now and give me a thumbs up. Remember that your comments are very important to me. Also, please follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to stay updated with this channel. And finally, please hit that subscribe button, please and thanks. Although we've all gone back to our busy lifestyles, you guys can expect to see at least one video a week on my channel. I usually post on the weekends between Friday and Sunday evenings, so don't forget to tune in.